His body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you are all doing fine. So I received some hair from Trendy Tresses, and here I'm just showing you what the package looks like. This is just a close-up of the packaging, and this is the Nubian Curl. I received it in a 16-inch and in a color 1B. On the back, there are instructions of how you take care of the hair and keep your tresses looking trendy, which I think is very important. So do read that. Inside the packaging, you have that little card, and this is what the hair looks like. And my first impression is how super duper soft it is, unlike any other crochet hair I have dealt with. It was really soft, guys. So this is what it looks like once you take it out of your packaging. It came folded, and this is just a close-up of the pattern that it has before I go ahead and split it up. So off camera, I did my braiding pattern. It doesn't really have to be neat because you will be putting hair on top of that. So I went ahead and I split the hair in smaller pieces, about 4 pieces for my installation. And then I went ahead, pushed the crochet needle under my braid. I created my loop, and then I went ahead and I pulled that end through that loop. And I created about 2 to 3 knots throughout my whole head. So it's just a basic crochet method that you will be doing. So just a tip, if you want to like separate the hair easily so that it doesn't tangle on you, because the hair is so soft, it does tend to like tangle just a little bit. You want to like smooth your hands down the strand of the hair and see how easy that hair separated. So that's just a pointer that you would need to do to make your hair come apart better. So I'm just going ahead and I'm just installing that. Right here, I'm just telling you guys that this is just one pack of that hair. Me splitting that hair, like this hair is huge. On first seeing that hair in the packaging, I thought that it would not be enough. I received 6 packs of hair, but honestly, I only used like 2.5 packs in my head, like seriously. So here I'm just like counting how many of that part of hair came in that package. In each package, you have 10 pieces of hair. So I'm just going ahead and I will be doing the regular crochet method around the perimeter of my head, but towards the top I will go ahead and do the invisible crochet method. Just a few things about this hair. You definitely don't need a lot of hair to do your crochet braids if you're going to split the hair into smaller sections like I did, because honestly this hair comes with a lot, and I really liked that about this hair. It was easy to install. It took the regular time to install, about 2 hours, with my braiding pattern in mind and so on. So right here, I'm just showing you how I did my invisible crochet method. So I put that loop under my braid, put it through, but here I'm just taking one part of that free end and I'll be pulling it through the loop. Instead of pulling everything through, you only pull one through, and then you go ahead and you create your knot. So I did do 2 knots for this one, and then I pulled it taut, and then I like put the hair over. So it kind of gave the illusion of no knots being right there. So this is what 2 packs looks like. And as you can see, only just a little section is left. So this is my third pack and I did not use all of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and complete this section. So I think that this hair is perfect for persons who like big hair, because as you guys can see, this hair is huge on my head. My head is not big at all. That's the reason why I only use like 2.5 packs. And by splitting it up, as said before, it created so much hair. I probably could have gotten away with only using 1.5 packs or 2 packs, to be honest, but like Trendy Tresses, they recommend 3 to 4 packs of hair for installation, and you would add more depending on how much volume you want. So I went for big hair, and as you guys can see, I got big hair. So I'm not mad about that at all. I really like this big hair that I have, and honestly guys, you can pick up 6 packs of hair, but I am telling you that this hair will last you a long time, honestly, because you don't have to use a lot. Also, this hair is good for doing like a crochet installation, and you can also like twist this hair in, or if you want to do like your braids, like regular braids, and have this bohemian style, you could use this hair to create that look as well. So finally I am finished, and this is what I'm looking like. As you guys can see, this is what is left out of my third pack. Woo! I am having fun with. Oh, another thing guys, this hair is super duper light. Like, don't let that volume fool you. It looks like a lot of hair. It is a lot of hair, but it is so lightweight. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of like shape up my hair a little bit with any crochet hair at all. You always want to go in and shape the hair to your liking, and also get rid of any like flyaways or frizzies that you see. So the hair did come all the way down to my mid back area and so on, but I did take off some of the length, and then I went in with my edge control and I smoothed my edges as usual. I'm just gonna swoop my hair in and like neaten up my hair a bit. I also left out majority of my edges because I am working on growing out my edges, guys. I didn't want too much tension on that. So I went in with my hairspray afterwards and I just spritzed my hair, and this is what the finished results are. This is a close-up of how natural looking it is. I really love this hair, like seriously. If you guys are interested in picking up a pack, the links will be down below in my description box, so you can always check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.